squishy mulberries. I have decided to talk with you today because I just want to see what you guys are doing all the time. Us? We're just being bored a lot. We're just hanging out inside of our cups and staying there for a few hours, changing and experimenting. Yeah, inside our cups that's kind of bored, but it's very satisfying. So, that's just what we're doing. And is there anything special about those cups? No, we're just bored. Yeah. Then we can make the cups less boring. Let's, start a new project. The project to make the cups, a lot more appealing to you. Yeah, I was dreaming that one day each cup could become a room, and together they would become a house. And then I can split the three bodies apart, and then each person can be one part of the house, and it would be so cool. Let's work on that project over the next 8 days. And then by 8 days, let's show the viewers how much you've got accomplished. And then we will be very happy again and not bored all the time. Yes, this is great. Bye.